AI versus traditional affiliate marketing, which one really works better in 2025? If you've ever wondered whether you should stick to old school tactics or lean into AI, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Marie Grove, and I'll break down the pros, cons, and real results you can expect from both approaches. Let's start with traditional affiliate marketing. This is the model most people are familiar with: choosing a niche, building a website, writing articles, creating YouTube videos, and driving traffic. It works, but it's slow. You're competing against thousands of others doing the same thing, and success comes down to trial, error, and persistence. Now, let's talk about AI. Instead of spending weeks figuring out niches or writing dozens of blog posts, AI tools can help you do it in hours. Imagine instantly generating a keyword-optimized article, complete email sequence, or designing a funnel in minutes. AI can amplify your strategy. That's why so many affiliates are calling it a game changer. So what's the real difference between AI versus traditional affiliate marketing? Traditional, manual research, long content creation cycles, and slower testing. AI-driven, instant research, automated content, and rapid optimization. The gap isn't just about speed, it's about leverage. AI gives beginners the same kind of tools that advanced marketers have used for years. But let's be clear, AI isn't perfect. Traditional methods can still build authority and trust, especially for long-term blogs and channels. AI, on the other hand, can create boring, generic content if you don't guide it well. The best approach? Combine both. Use AI to handle much of the work, and add your personal touch to make content authentic. If you're starting today, I recommend using AI tools for research, content drafts, and funnel building. Then layer in your own experience and voice. This hybrid model gives you the fastest path to commissions while still building a long-term business. If you want to see how I do it, grab my free AI content planner and mini course linked below. And remember, the Marie Grove method, building your online business smarter and faster with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.